What's up guys, what's going on? It's your boy Savi Graphics. In this tutorial I want to show you how you can color grade either your picture or your object to match to your background. So without any further ado, let's jump right in. So here is our Photoshop environment, and for example, maybe I have a background. Let me bring up a background. Maybe something like I have this background. For example, I have this blue background. Okay. Let me just give this a little blur. Okay, let's say I have something like this, and then I have my image, something like this. Yeah, maybe let me pick up this image. Maybe I have my image like this. Okay, maybe I have my image like this. Now, before you start your color grading, you must look at the image, know what color is popping out from the image, and then you check your background. You know, at the background we're having a blue color, and then the image seeing something like yellow spot on the image. So before we start the color grading, what we'll do is we'll head up to filter, go to your camera raw filter, click on it. It's loading now. And yeah, this is the environment. And then what you are going to do, you look at the image and you look at your background. What are you going to do? You see on the right hand side, you see temperature, tint, exposure, contrast, highlight, shadows, white, black, clarity, vibrance, and then the saturation. What you're going to do is, since you are having a blue background, try to reduce the temperature to the blue side. On the left side, you can see what I'm doing. You can be playing around with it till you get a perfect something. Like now, I'm okay with the temperature. Let me add a little tint. My tint should be -3, and then the exposure, I think I add a little. Okay, and then the contrast, I reduce it a little. So you can be playing around with this until you get a perfect something. Alright, I think I'm okay with this. So let's click OK and look at our image. Let's see. Wow, you can see, look at the picture now, and then look at the background. You can see that it's going well now. Let's see the previous one. See the previous one. You can see the one we have. So let's try another thing with another background. Maybe I should remove this now. Maybe I bring up. So what are you going to do? Maybe when you are faced, or when you are given an image that the image is dark, and then nothing is coming out like that. As in, for example, this is what I'm saying. Let me bring up this image. Let's see. Yeah, I have this type of image here. You can see it's a little bit dark. You see one dark safe. You cannot see the face clearly. Everything is just so dull. So what are you going to do when you are faced with something like this while designing? You don't just put your background, then you start working on the stuff. First of all, once you are done setting your background, your next focus should be on the picture. You know, the picture is dull. Maybe you go for maybe a brighter background. Maybe can we go with this? I think let's just go with this background, this brown background. So maybe I have this type of background. So looking at the picture, that's why I chose this background. I'm a little blur. Okay, this is what I have. Then let's see our picture. This is our picture. Now what are you going to do at this point? We'll follow the same process again while we do this. Adopt your filter, camera or filter, and then we just play around some stuff there. We'll have what we need. Okay, so look at the picture, look at the background. What are you going to do? At the background we are having yellow, kind of brown, black, all the stuff. So let's head up to this side. I think first thing I'll do here, I'll increase the exposure so that at least it will pop out a little, so that we can see the face, the eye. Right? Okay, so I increase the temperature. Told you we are having yellow at the background, so that's why I'm increasing the temperature. Okay, let me reduce a little. Alright, then the highlight also, I think I should reduce it a little. Let's reduce that a little. The clarity also, let me increase a little. Then I add a little saturation there. Okay, that's what I'm doing. Let me reduce the background. I think I'm okay with this. So let's check what we are having. Hit on OK, so that load. And boom, this is what we are having. Let's see the previous one. This is what we were having before, or let me say this is what we were giving, and now this is what we have. So don't forget to do this while working on your design with pictures. So if you find this interesting, kindly leave a like and then hit on the subscription button if you are a new viewer here. This is Victor signing out from Savvy Graphics.